We've been here about 20 years, and we were having some pretty significant issues with the roof, starting to leak or punch through here and there. Valley Roofing had done a little bit of roof repair for us over the years, so it became like a natural choice to start there first when we needed to replace the entire roof. Every time it would rain, I would make sure that I was home so that I could monitor for leaks, especially in some key spots. So that peace of mind for us has been huge. Just knowing that we don't have to be home when it rains and the house is secure. It's going to be okay.
I think what made this project so special and unique was the historic part of trying to preserve that look along with the gutters. We have the ability to bend out the historic looking gutters.
There is no comparison to that old pink roof and what you see right now. I would recommend Valley Roofing hands down without any hesitation to anybody who needs roofing services. Just the level of quality craftsmanship that they provide, the communication throughout the process from start to finish, and just the way that they respected our property. Have the conversation, and their expertise will kind of help you determine what's doable, what would look best for your home, and you'll get a really nice picture of what the process is going to look like, and you won't be disappointed.